Hey everyone, this is iknow ovulation tips. So let's start how iknow helps. Iknow helps you in planning pregnancy by identify the best dates to get pregnant in a month. How to use iknow ovulation test tips. Calculate the date to start testing with iknow. Refer back insert for details instructions. On the calculate day, put 3 drops of urine in the salt of the iknow strips. Note the best time to test in afternoon. Read the result with 5 minutes and discard the advice. Interrupt the results as given in the below table. How to read the results in iknow. If you get a single pink line in C, your fertile day have not started. Please test again tomorrow. If you get two pink line in C and T, your fertile day have started. Please plan and protect intercross. The fertile window lasts for up to 5 days. If you get no lines, the test is invalid. Please test with another device. Thank you.